Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about Wi-Fi not working and Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone on iOS devices after iOS 17 update. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, this is a not big problem. Simply open setting application appears on screen. Now scroll down and find out general. Here scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Here guys, tap on reset network setting. Any problem inside your network by reset network setting solve after reset network setting. Now see the next solution if this method not work, and after that open setting application appears on screen. Here tap on it, and now guys simply tap on Wi-Fi and tap on this icon. Guys, simply forget this network, and after forget this network, now reconnect Wi-Fi again in your iPhone. Here you can see, enter the password and reconnect. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Now here the next solution is open setting application appears on screen, and simply tap on airplane mode, and after 50 to 60 second turn off airplane mode. I hope your problem will be solved, and see the next and last solution. Tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all setting. If these previous method not work, so reset all network setting on your iPhone. After reset all network setting, I hope your problem will be solved about iFi. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.